morning, everybody. Welcome back to the channel again. So today is going to be a slightly different video. It's not going to be super long or anything like that. Basically, I'm going to Los Angeles, or the area around Los Angeles, for an Audi Group Los Angeles meet at Cars and Coffee. Should be a pretty decent turnout. So I'm pretty much just going to get some shots of those cars and maybe talk to some people and hang out.
Those medical pills are pushing me over. I kill my fill 3 times a day. These ethanol fumes won't make me sober. One flame to take the pain away. I caught you lighting matches in the back room. Haters look mad when they pass you. Let's talk about around when it's past due. Reach a glass, do no. You don't gotta fight alone. You don't gotta fight alone. Don't be so personal. Take me out of the road. I'm going under. Take me out of the road. I'm going under. All we love, all we done is just sit around wasting our time. Take me out of the road. I'm going under. Around wasting our time. I'm going under. Everyone's seen death in their dreams, but we still wake up and go to sleep. Everyone's seen death in their dreams, but we still wake up from our sleep. I'll be home soon. You don't gotta fight alone. You don't gotta fight alone. You don't gotta fight alone. Don't be so personal. Take me out of the road. I'm going under. Take me out of the road. I'm going under. Who do you rely on now? I know the worst. I know the worst. Who can you call on now? I know the worst. I know the worst.
We are back in Santa Clarita now, my home area. Just got back from AGLA. Awesome turnout, 40 plus cars were there, a bunch of RS4s, RS3s, a couple R8s were there. Shout out to Randy, founder of AGLA, for getting the merch that I ordered yesterday and hand delivering it to me at the meet. Super awesome and super quick service. And he's also a great photographer, so hit him up. All the social media and everything that's in this video will be in the bio underneath the video. And until next time, see you guys later.